What's going on guys, Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a content calendar for GoHighLevel clients using Google Sheets. Once you're in Google Sheets, create the following columns: date, content title, platform, status, and notes. You can then add upcoming content for your clients. You can then go to statuses and select the entire column. Go to insert and then select dropdown. You want to create statuses like planned, in progress, and published. You can also change the colors. Once you have edited all of that, select done. Now you can view the progress as your clients move along. You can then go to share in the top right corner, copy the link, and then go into GoHighLevel, select the contact, and either send them a message with this link or add it in notes. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.